all the 4,000 parts. So if you say 40, so that's what we mean by local. Sector.
Because the local contents, if these people are doing manufacturing and assembling, what are the parts that we are putting in, adding value to those manufacturing or assembling? We don't have. So can we start with these parts first? Then after starting with the parts, then we continue until now we start manufacturing.
So my stand on the perception that this bill will kill the automotive industry and specifically the used vehicle importation is a lie, because this bill does not intend to touch that particular segment. It intends to organically grow the automotive assembly industry, and the automotive assembly industry is actually greater than just motor vehicles. We have tuk-tuks, we have motorcycles, and now we are having electric vehicles that are coming in play. So what this bill intends to do does not relate. If you look at the entire bill, you will not see anywhere where it talks about affecting second-hand vehicles. Na tunajua kwa sababu ya uchumi wa Kenya wanahitaji bado second-hand vehicles. So with time, probably that will happen only when the industry has grown.